Okay, so our wooden bird key holder is dry, so it dries clear. Now I put on two by hand the hooks for the keys, and I gotta put two more, so I figured I'd do that with you guys so you can see how to do it. Pretty easy. We're gonna do the blue one first. Take that, and it's got a spot there. Put them just under the diamonds. Wow, this should be fun. And then you take a screw they give you. And they give you a little screwdriver. And you want to just screw it down. Ooh. The hardest part is just getting it in there, starting the hole for it. And then you're going to just screw it in like you normally screw, however you screw it in. I would do it like straight down, not at an angle, of course. Probably only going to be able to show you one. So there's that one, and you're going to stick another screw in this one. Why it always got to do that? I only got 3 minutes to do this, and less now. But you get the gist of it. I'm going to show you when it's done. Here's the finished product. The wooden keychain holder. I had to get out the power drill because I couldn't screw them down all the way.